Hi, I'm excited to share with you a little bit about my booklet, Your Sacred Life, how it came to be, and what it might mean for you in your life. In the early 1990s, I was in a class, and a colleague stood up and shared the Comanche Indian legend of the 7 sacred tools for creating a happy life. And when she listed off those tools, I realized that I'd had those tools with me my whole life. They'd always been with me. I'd operated from them as the best that I could. But it was nice to have some more information and a name and a few more things about them. And so I acknowledged that for myself and went about living my life. I didn't do anything else. And one day, about 7 years later, I was having a wonderful massage. Just delightful. I love massages. They're good for you. So I'm having this delightful massage, and all of a sudden it's like somebody turned on the waterworks and tears started flowing. I wasn't in any pain. I wasn't feeling any sadness, but the tears just flowed. And so when I got home, I sat down and I thought, that was just very strange. And I asked myself, what was that about? And the answer to that for me, I sat down and wrote this booklet, Your Sacred Life. It's about the 7 sacred tools as they operate in my life. And I kind of wrote them out and thought I was done with that. But some colleagues encouraged me to really publish it. And so I finally did, and I published it in a manner where you could set it up and look at the 7 sacred tools on your desk or a mantle or somewhere where you always see it, and look at those 7 sacred tools so that they begin to act in you and bring you into connection with those tools in your life and bring you more insight, peace, and happiness through living your sacred life through the 7 sacred tools. I hope you can pick up a copy and give one to a friend, and together you might both enjoy and discover your sacred life. Thank you.